Hi, I'm Rachel and you're watching Kalkine TV live from the Sydney studios. This is the Stocks in Action show. Let's have a look at the ASX200 and the ASX listed stocks that are trending today. The S&P ASX200 is lower today, dropping 38 points or 0.54% to 7,006.90, crossing below its 20-day moving average at 10:35 Eastern Australian Standard Time. The bottom performing stocks in this index are Perenti Global down 20% and Xero down 9.11%. The index has lost 0.78% for the last 5 days, but sits at 2.31% below its 52-week high. Sectors are mixed. 8 of 11 sectors are lower today, with the S&P ASX200 index. Healthcare is the best performing sector, gaining 0.73% and rebounding from its recent decline. This sector is off 0.85% for the past 5 days. Let us now take a look at some major news from ASX-listed companies. The Tassal Group has acquired an 800-hectare mid-farm adjacent to its Northern Queensland-based Proserpine prawn farm and Billy Creek property. The acquisition is expected to assimilate its farm holdings, now called Proserpine Farming Precinct, boosting future prawn production. Tassal Group shares last traded at $3.66 each. That was at 10:35 this morning, Australian Eastern Standard Time. Techgen Metals has received composite assay results from its RC drilling program, completed back in April at Donna Gold Project in Western Australia. 8 holes were completed at the Donna 7 prospect near Kalkine, while 3 holes were completed at the Star prospect. Zones of gold mineralisation correspond with logged intervals of alteration and veining. Techgen Metals shares last traded at 23.5 cents each at 10:35 this morning. QX Resources is set to raise $1 million to ramp up exploration activities. They announced firm commitments from sophisticated and institutional investors to subscribe for a placement of 70 million shares at 1.5 cents each. That's amounting to $1.5 million before costs. The company also announced a share purchase plan to raise up to $2 million, in which Australasian Capital will partially underwrite $600,000. The combined proceeds are expected to accelerate exploration activities at QXR's Queensland-based prospective gold projects. QX Resources share price last traded at 1.7 cents each at 10:35. That's in the morning of Australian Eastern Standard Time. ASX200 listed firm CSR reports that its full-year net profit after tax of $46.1 million. That's an increase of 17%. The robust result reflects improved performance in building products and increased property contribution. The company also declared a final dividend of 14.5 cents per share. It should be noted that last year there was no final dividend declared due to COVID-19. A special dividend of 9.5 cents per share was declared following settlement of the property sale at Horsley Park. CSR shares last traded at $6.61 each at 10:35 this morning. Financial research firm Jefferies has raised the price target to $3.20 from $3.07 and has maintained the rating on asset manager Aventus Group. The company on Wednesday says it will sell a McGregor home in Queensland for $42.15 million to Sterling Property. That's reflecting a 56% premium to the December 20 book value of $27 million. Jefferies expects upside in Aventus with strong underlying fundamentals in financial year 2021 guidance, implying a 5.9% distribution per security yield and a 15.3 times price to funds from operations multiple. The brokerage sees financial year 2021 net profit to be around $104.6 million. That's compared to $96 million as reported in financial year 2020. Aventus Group shares were last traded at $2.86 per share. That was at 10:35 this morning, Australian Eastern Standard Time. That's all from me for now. Stay tuned with Kalkine TV for more live market updates. We'll be back with more news on the markets, the economy, diverse themes and sectors. I'm Rachel, signing off for now.